So what is natural pharma? When was the last time you actually read the pamphlet that comes with the medications you take? Have you ever noticed that the side effects are often more severe than the condition that you took the meds for in the first place? Natural pharma is a completely natural remedy that is used with 100% natural ingredients, with no chemicals or synthetic and preservative ingredients that are harmful to our bodies. The remedies that we will learn to concoct during this course are completely natural, vegan, and with no products that have been tested on animals. While you yourself prepare them with my guidance from all natural ingredients, you can tweak, add, or subtract according to your patient's specific needs. Natural medicine sees the human being as a whole and takes into account his mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical state and finds a remedy accordingly. The world of plants and herbs is rich and ancient, full of wisdom, and has been here long before modern medicine.